If you want to learn how to use Google Calendar quickly and confidently, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics step by step so you can create events, add guests, set reminders, switch calendar views, and edit events whenever you need to. By the end, you'll know exactly how to organize your schedule inside Google Calendar without any confusion. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once the calendar loads, you'll see your schedule laid out on the screen, along with the sidebar on the left and the view controls at the top. This is your main workspace, and everything you need starts here. To create a new event, click the Create button, then choose Event. A new event window will pop up where you can enter all the important details for your appointment, meeting, reminder, or personal task. Start by typing in the event title. This is the name of the event, so make it clear and easy to recognize. Next, select the date and time. You can set it for a specific day and hour or adjust it depending on how long the event will last. If it's an all-day event, you can also set that up here. If your event is tied to a physical place, add a location in the location field. If you're holding the event online, you can also add a Google Meet link so everyone can join virtually. This is especially useful for meetings, classes, or team calls. Now, if you want to invite other people, you can add guests by entering their email addresses. Google Calendar will let you include multiple guests, which makes it easy to schedule shared events. Once you add them, they can receive the event invitation and see the details depending on your sharing settings. Before saving, look for the notification section. This is where you set a reminder for the event. You can choose how far in advance you want to be notified so you don't miss important meetings or deadlines. Pick the reminder that works best for you, whether that's a few minutes before or much earlier in the day. Once everything looks good, click Save. Google Calendar will create the event and add it to your schedule. If you invited guests, you may be asked whether you want to send them invitations. Make sure to confirm so everyone receives the update. Now, let's talk about organizing and viewing your calendar. On the left sidebar, you can switch between different calendars if you have more than one connected. This is helpful if you manage personal events, work events, or shared calendars all in one place. At the top of the screen, you'll also see the view options. You can switch between day, week, month, year, or schedule views depending on how you like to plan. Day view is great for focusing on one day at a time. Week view helps you see your weekly workload. Month view gives you a bigger picture, while year and schedule views are useful for long-term planning and quick event browsing. If you ever need to change an event after creating it, just click on the existing event in your calendar. From there, you can edit the title, update the time, change the location, modify the guest list, or adjust the notification settings. If the event is no longer needed, you can also delete it right from the event window. This makes Google Calendar really flexible because you can keep adjusting your schedule as plans change. Whether you're planning meetings, setting reminders, or organizing your week, the platform gives you a simple way to stay on top of everything. So that's how to use Google Calendar for the basics. Create an event, add details, invite guests, set reminders, switch views, and edit events whenever needed. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.